welcome to Vlogmas day 12? What? Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 12. Woo! I hope I got it right in the intro because I did that yesterday and I was a little confused, but we are day 12. So not a lot has happened today. I've just been working, but I'll just catch you guys up, and I have some clips to insert. Basically, I just try to pick up my camera when something fun's happening, or you know, for Vlogmas, and then I'll just insert it like I've been doing. But yeah, I had a virtual class, and this class is a partnership I have with a corporation. So twice a week for last month and this month, I do virtual fitness for them. So the company was doing a virtual scavenger hunt, and my class was one of the stops, and so they encouraged me to make it festive. So I'm gonna insert clips of what we did. Okay, it's here, holiday hit. We're gonna hit it up. I don't know how long this sweatshirt will last, but here we are. I'm Abby. I am your cruise director for our fitness today. I have a beautiful playlist that is Christmas, or as it's called, Xmas Hits. You can find it on iTunes. Whoever remade this playlist, I hope good things are happening to them. Come on. iTunes, y'all. So fun, right? So I did that. I have client one-on-ones. I'm making some updates to my website, and I am brainstorming websites that I can list my services on to try to draw in new clients. So I got on Thumbtack. I signed up for Thumbtack. This is a crazy story. So I feel like everyone who went to college or had any type of roommate, maybe just your first roommate in general, everyone has a crazy roommate story, and mine, she probably thinks I'm crazy too, because you know, who's mature about those situations at like 18, 19 years old. But you know, obviously we didn't stay in contact, and that was like 12 years ago, so I don't like remember her name or anything like that. But on Thumbtack, when I put in my business, it showed me people in my area who do similar things, and she popped up. I was like, is that the same girl that was my college roommate? And I went to Instagram and checked her out, and I'm like, that is so weird. Like, I have, excuse me, before I started the camera, I drank coffee really fast, and it went down the wrong windpipe or whatever they're called. This is, you're about to see a haul with this. But anyways, shook. And then some people I know from my life currently know her, and I was like, this is so weird. It was just like a trip down memory lane a little bit. I'm not gonna contact her or anything like that, but I was just like, it put such a weird, I don't know, it's like just put me into like a different time of my life, and that was like really bizarre. But anyways, apparently we live near each other. Not like in this, well, like, you know, any city, there's like different parts of the city, so she just lives in a different part of it. But I was like, wow. But our college was only like an hour and a half from here, so that's not too shocking. But anyways, so I'm on Thumbtack. I'm listed on there, and I'm making updates to my website. I'm adding a store so that people can sign up for my services without directly having to go through me, and let that be the first touch of contact. I think that will help my services too, because we're just so it's just easy for us, I think, to buy stuff and then handle it after we buy it than to like meet the person and connect with, I don't know. I think we're weird as a human species around that stuff, so. Cause you know, I think about like my therapy session, like I set it all up virtually. Yeah, like she had my credit card, she had like everything. And then I met her, and then she's great. So I'm rambling. Therapy was great. She shares so much good insight, and she's really good about pulling out things that really do bother me. So it's going really well. We have a session next week, and then we're going to take the 2 weeks of the holidays off, do another one, but I think after that one, just for budget reasons, I'll start going like every other week. But it's been so helpful so far. I've only had 2 sessions at this point, but it's been really helpful. So the next thing I'm going to insert is I went to Aldi yesterday, so I brought you guys with me, and then we did a haul. So I'm going to insert those clips. We are back with the Aldi haul. So we have a little bit over here, and then we have a little bit over here. And I actually got a little bit different or new things, so I'm excited to show you guys. I went ahead and got 2 containers of eggs. I would like to think I'm gonna make cookies with these. We'll see what happens. Had to get Jared's cocoa rice. That was his what he wanted me to pick up. And then he likes Pop-Tarts, and I thought it was really cool. They had Seasons Greetings sugar cookies, and they're obviously holiday themed, so I'm sure he'll love those. I'm going to send him a picture here in a minute. We have this French onion dip. This is just a powder that you can add to recipes, but we like to add it to sour cream to make a dip to eat with kettle chips, or, you know, any type of like chip like this would work, or Ruffles or something like that. I got some queso because we have holiday tortilla chips. How fun is that? I was like, okay, like who passes that up? And then we still have ones that we haven't opened from a couple weeks ago, Thanksgiving week, and we also have that salsa that we got in that haul that we haven't opened. So I thought this would be a nice snack to have while like watching holiday movies or something this weekend. And I want us to make tacos as well, so I thought this would be good on tacos. I always like to have black beans on hand. It's just a nice thing to add to a simple meal, to add a little protein. And then guys, they had these cute mugs. They were only $2.50 each. How cute. And you can give them as a gift. Like they have the to and from tag on them, but this is like my favorite size cup for coffee in the morning. I like to have one huge cup and then I'm done for the day. We have a couple of holiday cups, but none of them are this big. And then only a morning person on Christmas. I thought this was really cute as well, and it's the same size, same price. They had a couple of different varieties, but these were the ones that spoke to me. And then I got more gluten-free whole grain bread, and this is from their Living gluten-free line, or Living G-free. So that's the first part. This whole haul was $60. Woo woo. So I got a couple of like pre-made things just to have some simple meals on hand. I've never tried like one of their pre-made salads. So this is a Santa Fe salad. So we'll see how that tastes. I got a little container of blueberries, some string cheese, They have some prepackaged snacks that are like cut up cheese, almonds, and dried cranberries, and we actually have almonds and dried cranberries, so I thought I would just pick up cheese sticks and maybe make my own snack. Steamed Brussels sprouts, steamed broccoli, and steamed green beans. I enjoyed the ones I got last week, so I thought I would try some more. Then I got this rice cauliflower medley. It's basically cauliflower and mixed veggies in there. I went to another store and got turkey patties that are pre-made. You just have to cook them. So I thought this and the turkey patties would be really good. I got more Colby Jack cheese. I like putting this on sandwiches, but also Morty has to take 2 pills a night, and so sometimes it's easier to just push them into like a little piece of cheese for him. So I like to have it for that too. Here's another pre-made thing that I'm trying out, Mediterranean chicken and quinoa. It just looks so good. It has chicken, brown rice, spinach, red peppers, red bell peppers, and sun-dried tomatoes, and this was only about $3, and it has 17 grams of protein, so we'll see how that tastes. And then I got my normal gluten-free pepperoni pizza, but you guys, if you watch, you know we have pizza every Friday, and I saw that they have gluten-free pizza that's cauliflower crust that's like on these like take and bake. So you only have to put it in the oven for 11 to 14 minutes, and this one is pepperoni. I just thought that was so cool. Like, I know some of you guys are also gluten-free, and it's hard to find like normal things that are gluten-free and not like triple the price of what a non-gluten-free item was. So this was in the same area as the normal take and bakes. So I got this one for Jared. It's just an ultimate meat, so it has I think it's 3, yeah, sausage, pepperoni, and beef, oh, and bacon, so 4 meats on here. But the gluten-free one was the same price as the normal one. I was like, Aldi, thank you. I feel seen. I feel heard. But this is the second part of the haul. I thought I would just show you those turkey patties I was talking about. So these are 4 turkey patties. They already come seasoned. They didn't have any that weren't seasoned, but I was like, hey, maybe it's fine. So I was thinking cook up this with this, and that could be like a super easy meal. Obviously this would be like a lunch. Probably have to eat something else with it, maybe the tortilla chips. But yeah, just real simple stuff that I thought we would get, and I'm proud of myself for getting new things. Look at us, y'all. This mug, they were like $2.60. I was shook. They had a few more. I love huge mugs. Whew. Huge mugs, and I've enjoyed it. I said in that video I don't drink coffee in the afternoon, but today I think because of the mug I just had to do it. Anyways, this was a super random Vlogmas, but I guess that's just real life. I kind of get how daily vloggers kind of fall off, because it's like doing the same thing I did yesterday, just a little different. So this weekend, well, it's Saturday as you guys are watching this, but Friday as I film and edit it. Just a day ahead, day behind, I don't know. Anyways, we are going to do the 3rd week of Vlogmas. Thank you guys for wanting it. Well, I guess you didn't request it. I suggested it and you guys encouraged it. So thank you for your encouragement. It's been really fun, and this weekend I really want Jared and I to make cookies and go look at, or drive around and look at lights, and still try to find pandemic friendly ways to celebrate the holidays. So we'll definitely bring you guys along. And then this weekend I have to work a shift at my other gym. So I don't know if much will happen on Sunday. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But thank you guys so much for being here. Subscribe if you're new. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.